What if the universe is a conscious being, my friend? Imagine the vastness of the cosmos, the stars and planets, the galaxies that stretch out into the infinite expanse, all woven together in a tapestry of interconnected consciousness. As we sit here together, pondering the mysteries of life and the universe, it's easy to feel humbled and in awe of the grandeur of it all. But what if the universe is not merely a collection of matter and energy, but rather a living, breathing, conscious entity? The idea that the universe could be conscious is not entirely new. It can be traced back to ancient wisdom and spiritual traditions, where people have long believed in a universal consciousness or divine force that unites and animates everything. Picture this: every star, every planet, every living being, all of it interconnected by an invisible web of energy and consciousness. This universal consciousness, aware of itself and all its manifestations, experiences an eternal dance of creation and dissolution, birth and death, joy and suffering. If we were to see the universe as a conscious being, we would understand that we are not separate from it, but rather an essential part of its very existence. We are like cells in the body of the cosmos, each with a unique purpose and role to play in the greater whole. Our joys, our sorrows, our triumphs, and our tragedies, all are part of the universal story. In this light, our relationships with one another take on a new meaning. We are all connected, sharing in the experience of life, learning and growing together in our spiritual journey. When we love and support each other, when we show kindness and compassion, we are not only enriching our own lives, but also contributing to the collective consciousness of the universe. And what about our connection with the Earth? This beautiful, fragile planet is our home, our sanctuary, and our provider. If we see the universe as a conscious being, we cannot help but recognize our deep connection and responsibility to the Earth and all its inhabitants. The idea of a conscious universe invites us to reflect on our actions and choices, to recognize the impact we have on the world around us. It encourages us to strive for harmony and balance, both within ourselves and in our relationship with the planet. So, my friend, let us sit with this thought for a while. What if the universe is a conscious being? What if the cosmos is not only vast and magnificent, but also alive and aware, experiencing itself through each and every one of us? As we contemplate this possibility, may it inspire us to live more mindfully, more compassionately, and more connected to the beautiful web of existence that surrounds and supports us all.